Okay, I'm back, and now I feel like I'm just on a video show, and I really don't like doing things like this anyway. So here I am back, and I have gone through as much as I could. As you can see, I changed the land and moved it down here, and found that it is correct down there. However, I've messed up a lot of the amounts, and I could not figure out what to put for this last one. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that I'm just like you. I'm just working to do the best that I can. And I was trying to put the cash dividends. I believe it goes down here. But I couldn't find it listed for the cash dividends on the drop down arrow. So I don't know where it goes, unless maybe it goes here. Cash dividends. Oh, there's one. So let's try that for our next round. Where's the amount? 13584. 84. So I'm just going to have to go through all of these and fix them. Usually what I do when I think that the amounts are right, I put negative signs in front of them next to try that. But I've got to figure out what these are. And so I've been looking at the book to see, and there's a picture of an indirect method of cash flows on page 615 and one on 617. And I've kind of been looking at both of those. That gives me an idea of what needs to go in the financing activities as well as in the operating activities. So those are I just wanted to let you know that I did realize I made a mistake in putting the land there, and as I went through it a little more, I could see that it needed to be in a different spot, but I couldn't find where to put it. So all of the information. I think I'm just talking in circles. Anyway, I hope you all do well on it. I'm still working on it. And there's another one on page 629. So I want to look at that and study it a little bit and see where I need to put things, and whether they're negative or positive. And I need to study that a little bit more so that I understand where it goes. But that's really how you fill it out, and as you get to know it more, it'll become second nature, which the operating one has become a little more easier for me because the first homework assignment was only operating and not financing or investing. So anyway, here's the rest of the short video